want the long, elegant neck of a swan. Think ballet dancer or queen. The way to get there is to ensure that the gentle slope of our neck is not compromised by neck and shoulder tension. Here is a quick set to ease neck tension and strengthen our back muscles to give our head and neck the support they need so that we can be beautiful swans. If we have chronic neck and shoulder tension, it means that we're not being supported by our core and back muscles. So we're going to start with some exercises to strengthen those areas. Let's start by sitting on our heels. And we're going to begin by warming up, opening up our shoulders. So I'm going to be using this elastic strap here. You can find these on Amazon, or you can simply use a towel. So we'll start with it quite wide apart. And we're going to keep your shoulder blades down your spine as you circle your arms back. Spiral your shoulder blades down your back. And if that feels a little easy, move your hands in closer. Keeping your shoulder blades down the whole time. Ribs relaxed. Letting the shoulders open up, loosen up. And just a few more. And on this one, at the place you feel the most tension, hold there for a moment, breathe into it, and bend your elbows. And straighten your arms. Very good. And relax. Now come sitting cross-legged for the next one. So we're going to take hold of our band and we're going to stretch wide using our back. Focus on the back and core. Inhale out and exhale in. Inhale, stretch, and exhale in. You will feel this also in your upper arms. We're just going to do a few. Keep contracting your back muscles. All the tension in the back muscles. Relax the top of your shoulders and your neck. And inhale and relax. And put your band to one side. Come sitting cross-legged for the next one. Hold on to your knees. We're going to start to roll our shoulders up and back very slowly. Feel yourself easing away the tension. Really lift your shoulders and let them drop fully. And keep breathing with it. You can inhale up and exhale. Drop. Inhale up and exhale down. Ease out the tension. And go the other way. So we're going back, up, and forward. Shrug off the tension. Inhale, shoulders up, and relax the shoulders, and have your legs in front of you, and meditate. Ready for another neck lengthener? Sit on your heels. Slip your fingertips under your ankles. This draws your shoulders down and opens them up. We're going to tilt our head to the right ear to right shoulder. Feel your arms spiraling open. And feel your left shoulder blade as your head's leaning to the right. Feel your left shoulder blade anchoring down even more. Long, deep breathing. And now slowly roll your head forward and bring your left ear to left shoulder and breathe. We're now anchoring our right shoulder blade down a little bit more. Chin forward, raise your head and relax. Come off of your heels. Come sitting cross-legged and meditate for a moment. Hold on to opposite elbows. We're going to inhale up and exhale, bring your arms parallel again and go. Breathe and move powerfully. Put a tiger in your tank. Inhale up and relax. Good work. And meditate for a moment. Let's de-stress so that we keep tension at bay. Interlace your hands behind your head. And we're going to draw our head forward. Chin to your collarbone, feeling a stretch along our upper back and neck. Stretching the back of the neck. Do long, deep breathing. Slowly draw your chin toward the right. And then slowly bring it to the other shoulder. Tilt your head to the right. And then slowly bring it to the other shoulder. And come center. And bring your head up. And relax and meditate. Very last exercise, we're going to draw a large circle in the air with our nose, mouth slightly open. We'll start counterclockwise. Go slow and keep your shoulders anchored down. Go the other way. Work through any areas of tension. Let those areas release. your chin forward. Slowly raise your head. Here's a bonus life exercise. We're going to practice just sitting with our spine straight. You can imagine you're sitting against a wall and line up the back of your skull, the back of your rib cage, and your tailbone against it. Let your ribs relax down and breathe. Gaze straight ahead. As you go throughout your day, try and remember this feeling of keeping your gaze forward and your head elevated. Great work, everyone. If you caught the vibe, like and subscribe. See you soon.